The year 2025 might seem far away, but it's right around the corner. Now is the time to set bold financial goals, and international investing should be a part of your plan. It might sound intimidating at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Imagine having a piece of your money working for you in exciting, growing economies all over the world. That's the power of international investing. It's about diversifying your portfolio, reducing risk, and tapping into the incredible potential of global markets. It's about taking control of your financial future and building a solid foundation for generations to come. We're going to walk through this together, step by step. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunities and achieve your financial dreams by 2025. Remember, investing isn't just about making money. It's about creating a better future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about achieving financial peace of mind and having the freedom to pursue your passions. Let's take this journey together and make 2025 the year you become a confident global investor. Let's be honest, the idea of investing internationally can seem scary. You might have heard stories or have some concerns. Is it too risky? Is it too complicated? What about currency exchange rates? These are all valid questions, and the truth is, knowledge is power. One of the biggest myths is that international investing is only for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. With the right approach and the resources available today, anyone can invest globally, regardless of their income level. Another common fear is the complexity of navigating foreign markets. Thankfully, there are plenty of tools and platforms designed to make international investing accessible and understandable for everyone. Remember, just like any investment, it's crucial to do your research and seek guidance from trusted sources. Don't let fear hold you back from exploring the incredible opportunities that international markets have to offer. Diversification is like having a safety net for your investments. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you're reducing the impact of any single investment on your overall portfolio. Think of it this way: if one country or sector experiences a downturn, your investments in other, stronger performing areas can help cushion the blow. International investing is a key component of diversification. It allows you to tap into markets that may be experiencing growth while others are stagnant or declining. This approach helps you manage risk more effectively and potentially enhance your long-term returns. By adding international investments to your portfolio, you're essentially opening up a whole new world of opportunities to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Remember, diversification is like an insurance policy for your investments. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Emerging markets are like the rising stars of the global economy. These are countries that are experiencing rapid economic growth and development, often at rates much higher than developed nations. Investing in emerging markets is about getting in on the ground floor of exciting opportunities. Think of countries like India, China, Brazil, and many others in Southeast Asia and Africa. These nations are experiencing a surge in innovation, consumer spending, and infrastructure development, creating fertile ground for investment growth. Of course, investing in emerging markets does come with its own set of risks. Political instability, currency fluctuations, and regulatory changes are all factors to consider. However, with careful research and a long-term investment horizon, the potential rewards of tapping into these dynamic economies can be substantial. Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of this global growth story. Your roadmap to success. A step-by-step guide to international investing. Ready to dive in? Let's break down the process of international investing into manageable steps. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First things first, define your goals. What do you hope to achieve through international investing? Are you looking for long-term growth, retirement income, or something else? Once you have a clear objective in mind, it's time to assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the ups and downs of the market? Determining your risk appetite will help you choose investments that align with your comfort level. Remember, investing should be a journey, not a sprint. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your exposure to international markets. Research and conquer. Choosing the right investments for you. Now that you have a roadmap, it's time to explore the world of international investments. There are many options available, each with its own risk and reward profile. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are great ways to gain diversified exposure to international markets without having to pick individual stocks. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a basket of assets, such as stocks or bonds, from different countries. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk and want the potential for higher returns, you could consider investing directly in international stocks. This approach requires more research and due diligence, but it allows you to handpick companies that you believe have strong growth potential. Remember, knowledge is power. Before investing in any international asset, take the time to understand its fundamentals, such as its financial health, competitive landscape, and growth prospects. Finding your platform. Selecting a brokerage for global investments. Choosing the right brokerage account is crucial for your international investing journey. Not all brokerages are created equal, and some are better equipped than others to handle global transactions. Look for a brokerage that offers a wide selection of international investments, including mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks from various countries. Make sure the platform is user-friendly, especially if you're new to international investing. Low fees are essential to maximize your returns. Compare trading commissions, account maintenance fees, and other charges before making your decision. Consider the research and educational resources offered by the brokerage. A good platform will provide you with tools and insights to make informed investment decisions. Remember, your brokerage account is your gateway to the global markets, so choose wisely. Starting small, dreaming big. Taking the first step. The most important step in any journey is the first one. When it comes to international investing, starting small is key. Don't feel pressured to invest a large sum of money right away. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with, even if it seems insignificant. Remember, even small investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment amount. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before diving into the deep end. Starting small allows you to get comfortable with the process, learn from any mistakes, and build your portfolio gradually over time. The most important thing is to take that first step and begin your international investing journey. Staying the course, monitoring, and managing your investments. Investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Once you've established your international portfolio, it's important to monitor its performance regularly and make adjustments as needed. Review your investments at least quarterly, or even more frequently if market conditions warrant it. Assess how your chosen assets are performing against their benchmarks and whether they're still aligned with your investment goals. Don't panic if your investments experience short-term fluctuations. The global market is cyclical, and ups and downs are perfectly normal. Focus on the long-term outlook and make adjustments to your portfolio based on your overall investment strategy, rather than reacting emotionally to market noise. Remember, patience and discipline are key to achieving success in international investing. Breaking down mental barriers. You can do this. One of the biggest challenges to international investing isn't always financial, it's often psychological. Fear, doubt, and lack of confidence can hold us back from pursuing opportunities that could potentially transform our financial futures. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to invest internationally. There are plenty of resources available to help you along the way, from educational materials to financial advisors. Start by educating yourself about the basics of international investing. The more you understand, the more confident you'll feel about making informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to friends, family members, or financial professionals who have experience in international investing. Their insights and guidance can be invaluable as you navigate this exciting journey. A brighter future awaits. Achieving financial freedom through international investing. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards achieving financial freedom through international investing. By diversifying your portfolio, tapping into emerging markets, and staying disciplined, you're well on your way to securing a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, investing is not just about growing your wealth. It's about creating a life of possibilities. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, support the causes you care about, and leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. As we approach 2025, embrace the opportunities that international investing presents. Start small, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world is your oyster, and the potential for growth is limitless. The journey might have its ups and downs, but with determination and a long-term perspective, You can achieve your financial goals and unlock a world of possibilities through international investing. Here's to a prosperous and fulfilling financial future.